Morning guys, what's happening? I'm in a bit of a rush this morning. I'm going to Steve's, we're going to make some high power e-bike videos. Something weird's happened to my mobile antenna. It's showing a massive SWR, which is really, really weird. I've put another antenna on the same mount and it's not the same, so I don't know, something weird's going on with this. I've tested across the terminals and it's showing a straight short, which is kind of normal. If it wasn't a straight short, you'd kind of be worried. Need to grab some cameras. Right, I think I figured out what it was. I've just tested the socket and everything's showing fine on the multimeter, but it's this centre pin. I think this centre pin's just not making contact. I've got a couple of different antennas I use on this. I think one of them must have a fatter pin and it's pushed out that centre section, so I've just kind of prized those in a bit to make a better connection. It's actually brought the SWR right down. Right, nearly at Steve's now. It's quite funny, when I was fiddling around with the antenna on the car, a guy come over and showed me a picture of a smart meter and said, "You need one of those, mate." I was like, what? Yeah, he's Polish, I think, and he said they use them in the trucks when he does the truck driving and stuff. And then I was trying to explain to him that the radio's got a built-in SWR meter, and I thought he was looking at me a bit funny, and I thought, oh god, can't do anything these days. A bit unusual, can you, without people sort of looking? But it turned out, you know, he knew exactly what I was doing. There's a lady on the air. I've heard her saying, try and get more wives on the air. She's creating a massive pile-up. The station's wanting to talk to her today. Look at these bikes. I'm at Steve's. It's my brethren Steve over there.
How you doing, guys? It's a proper man pad, isn't it, with all these?
Love it. Pit bike, which has got about what, 8,000?
About 7,000.
About 7,000 watts. The Vapor, which is just 2,500, and then this, which Steve's just built, using our kits, which we sell on our website, Kirby Bike, and it just makes a normal mountain bike just go like absolute stink. Correct?
Yeah, it goes fucking really well. I think you haven't been on these. It was my idea today for you to come down because you've been playing with radios for so long you've actually forgotten how fucking good these are, and that is like a sweet bike. So
yeah, they are awesome. So you've got a colour screen on here with all the information, like watts, how much power you're putting out, the temperature. We've also got that whacking great motor on the back, which these are 29-inch wheels, but we do them in all different sizes, so you can obviously, you know, pick a wheel for the size of the bike. And then Steve's come out with this kind of cool way to mount the controller so it gets like a nice airflow. That is an amazing machine, really, for just, you know, kind of getting about town, isn't it?
Free plug, but it's on a Black Friday sale as well, this bike at the moment. It was up for $1,500, but now it's $1,350 if anyone wants it. Size large frame, 29-inch wheel, which is a nice combo. Perfect. Yeah,
it's awesome. I'm going to be taking this out in a minute. I'm going to be going for a blast around town. Sticking to 15.5 mile an hour, of course.
Of course.
Right, let's see what this bad boy can do then. Yeah! Forget how quick these things are, don't you? All your bikes have got good brakes. Brakes.
Oh, brakes.
Yeah.
I think it's important. I can't stand over the bike and change the brakes.
Well, I think it's important, but I can never get mine to work properly. This will do it. There you go. I'll knock 50 quid off for that. He's on my aerials. Pit stop. Look at this. I've even got roasties. I've got roasties with my little turkey sandwich.
I'm on an 8-week nutrition plan and I'm not allowed to have more than one slice of bread today. And you've got roast potatoes. I'm so jealous.
Well. That smells well good though.
It does smell epic. It smells like garlic, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Got a bit of garlic going on.
We've just been having some deep chats,
Deep life chats
about YouTube, life in general. Go watch Steve's channel. He's got some rants on there.
Epic rants.
Right, let's go for burn. so nice up here. So nice and peaceful up here. I knew it. Hey. So much power. Do you know what's going to be funny in years to come? We're going to look back on these days and be like, oh, do you remember when we done those those e-bikes and just made them ridiculously powerful and just trotted about?
Do you think they're going to be like still cool in like 10 years time?
There'll obviously be something else, wouldn't there? Just roll on to something.
It's not going to be fun, because if you look back on like the motorbikes you used to ride in the 80s or 90s,
yeah,
they're still fun.
Oh, good ride. Oh, look at my glasses. That was a really good ride. These kits are amazing. I mean, I know I sort of did all this right in the beginning. That's why we obviously sell them in the store. But that it's just eye-opening when you haven't ridden one for a while. And yeah, crazy. It's a lot of power in it, and you can sort of like with the versus the mid-drive. It's sort of, if you pedal, you can almost compensate for the torque that the mid-drive's got when you know, because with the mid-drive you've got to go through the gears. But we sort of found this before, didn't we? Putting the two side by side. It's not a lot in it.
Yeah.
It's not a lot in it.
The hubs are kind of a bit quicker top end, I think.
Yeah, once they get going, it's like a train. It just
keeps pulling.
On the way back home now, guys. Look at that. See the whole London skyline up there.